Express yourself, the art of sharing your thoughts and feelings in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special topic that's close to the heart of language learning. Expressing yourself in English. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, mastering the art of expressing your thoughts and feelings is crucial. So, let's embark on this journey together to explore how you can effectively communicate your inner world in English. Expressing yourself means conveying your thoughts, feelings, ideas, and personality to others through words, gestures, and actions. In language learning, it specifically involves using English to share who you are, what you believe, and how you feel about various topics and situations. It's not just about the vocabulary or grammar. It's about making your voice heard and connecting with others on a deeper level. Expressing yourself is key to forming meaningful relationships, participating in discussions, and navigating everyday situations. It allows you to connect with others by sharing experiences and emotions, assert your identity and share your unique perspective, influence and inspire those around you with your ideas and stories. 1. Build your vocabulary. Start with emotions and adjectives that describe feelings. Knowing a range of words will help you articulate your thoughts more precisely. 2. Practice regularly. Use journals, video diaries, or conversation partners to practice expressing your thoughts and feelings. 3. Listen and learn. Pay attention to how native speakers express themselves in different situations, through movies, podcasts, and conversations. 4. Be authentic. Don't be afraid to share your true self. Authenticity makes communication more meaningful and engaging. 5. Use idioms and expressions. These can add color to your language and help you sound more natural when expressing emotions and opinions. Many learners face challenges like fear of making mistakes, limited vocabulary, or cultural differences. Overcome these by embracing mistakes. View them as learning opportunities rather than failures. Expanding your learning resources. Engage with a variety of materials and contexts to enrich your understanding and expression. Seeking feedback. Constructive feedback from teachers, peers, or language partners can be invaluable. Expressing yourself in English is a beautiful and fulfilling part of the language learning journey. It opens up new worlds of connection, understanding, and self-discovery. Remember, the goal is not perfection but progress and genuine communication. We hope this video has inspired you to express your thoughts and feelings more freely and effectively. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, be yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, expressing yourself isn't just about speaking. It's about sharing your unique voice with the world. Happy learning!